Hello guys, this is Gabriel from Genius Audio USA, and today we're going to talk to you about the top of the line of the Vulkan series of woofers. In this case, we're going to show you the V11. So the V11, we got it on 12-inch and 15-inch as well. What's different about this one from the other models? This is a 3000 RMS woofer. It got 6 layers of spiders, so 6 layers of spiders. It got a 4-inch voice coil. So let me show you some more details about the product. As always, you're gonna have your owner's manual with all the specs and kind of connections, and your template in order to make the holes where it goes. Now let's flip it over. Alright guys, now that we got it open, let me show you some more details about the products. As you can see on top, we got all the details. So let me flip it over this way. You got this, a dual one woofer, so since you're looking at a competition woofer, you want some more power out of your amplifier. So this will be able to draw some juice out of your amp. Dual one, 12-inch, 3000 RMS, and we got the same item, same power on the 15-inch series. Both of them have the dual stitching and the non-press paper. If you want some more details about these products as any other Genius products, log on to geniusaudioUSA.com for more information.